All right, lots to discuss with Alan. Let's start with this breaking news in the West.
All right, well, we're going to continue. We continue to have these red flag warnings from Ventura all the way down to San Diego, 17 million people at risk. So things die down a little bit today, but then tomorrow the winds start gusting up to 70 miles per hour again. So we do have a significant fire growth possible stretching from Ventura all the way down to San Diego if we get those winds kicking up. And of course, as you can see, we've got these 5 fires going right now. But as you can see, the good news for right now, the wind gusts are starting to die down a bit. We're going to see that come down. The gusty winds, especially around the hills, coming down. But over the weekend into next week, we could start to see those Santa Anas kick up again, unfortunately. Now to that winter weather. 76 million people stretching from the southwest across Texas on into the mid-Mississippi River Valley with winter storm warnings, winter storm watches to the east coast. This system is going to be pushing up out of the Gulf, bringing heavy rain. But to the north, Dallas, they're in the snow. So's Oklahoma City, moving into Little Rock. Then tomorrow, that heavy snow and ice starts to cripple parts of the Tennessee River Valley. Atlanta could see some icing conditions. That's going to cause problems. 1 to 3 inches of snow for Dallas. Little Rock, 6 to 9. Nashville, 3 to 5 inches of snow. Even a couple of inches in Atlanta. Airport delay is going to be a problem. Ice accumulations up to 1/4 of an inch. Power outages, trees down, a big problem from Kinston all the way to San Angelo, Texas, and heavy rain up to 4 inches down along the southern coast, I should say. And we're looking at 36 million people from the northeast all the way down into Florida talking about freeze advisories and warnings. We're looking at wind chills into the low to mid-teens to 20s right now. We're going to look at the cold air that's going to be coming in later on this week. But right now, guys, we've got it all on the map going on.
All right, Al, we'll check back with you in just a little bit.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.